Did you know that a small piece of land, just 27.5 acres to be exact, could cause a titanic battle between two U.S. states? Yes, I'm talking about Ellis Island, a name synonymous with the dreams and struggles of millions of immigrants. Today, I'll unravel the tale of how this tiny island sparked a fierce legal showdown between New Jersey and New York. Let's dive right into the battle for Ellis Island. Back in the day, Ellis Island was the gateway for over 12 million immigrants seeking new lives in America. But despite its historical significance, there was a heated debate. Which state did it really belong to? New York, with its iconic skyline just a stone's throw away, or New Jersey, whose shores quietly embraced the other side of the island? The dispute simmered for decades, with both states claiming rights over the island. The matter escalated to such an extent that it eventually found its way to the highest court in the land, the U.S. Supreme Court. In 1998, the court delivered a landmark decision. It might surprise you to hear that while New York owns the famed original 3-acre island, the surrounding 24.5 acres, which were reclaimed from waters primarily for immigration facilities, are actually part of New Jersey. Yes, you heard that right. The majority of Ellis Island is in New Jersey. This decision was based on historical agreements and geographical boundaries. The court referenced documents dating back to the 17th century, which showed that New York's boundaries were set at the middle of the Hudson River. This meant that any expansions made on Ellis Island beyond the original boundaries fell into New Jersey's territorial waters. So, why does this matter? Well, aside from clarifying jurisdictional and operational responsibilities, this ruling also affected funding, tourism, and historical preservation efforts. It's a fascinating example of how geography, history, and law intersect in sometimes unexpected ways. As we reflect on this story, it's a reminder of how even small patches of land can have huge historical and political significance. The immigrants who passed through Ellis Island might not have cared which state they were technically in, but for New York and New Jersey, it was a battle worth fighting. Next time you visit or see pictures of Ellis Island, remember that you're looking at a piece of land that was once at the heart of a Supreme Court showdown. A tiny island, with a story as vast as the ocean that surrounds it. This approach combines historical storytelling with geographical and legal insights typical of the educational and engaging narratives used by C.G.P. Gray.